Hi, I am at 3578 Kennesaw Station, Northwest in Kennesaw. It is a quick walk to McCollum Parkway, really super easy drive to KSU, and I have this incredible townhome with some updates in it that is perfect for a roommate plan or a growing family, either one. So I'm going to show it to you and then tell you what a deal. So here we come around. This is your entryway. And there's a couple of steps to the inside. The kitchen. Flooring's new. There's a pantry here. Living and dining space. So this townhome qualifies for FHA. It also has a giant fenced-in yard, which is something you don't typically get with a townhome. But all of this yard belongs to this townhome. Come on in. Let's go upstairs. So the other unique thing that I think is really cool about this is if say a parent wanted to start growing generational wealth for their family and their kid was starting KSU, this would be a perfect setup for a KSU student, as each bedroom has its own bathroom and generous closet. Bathroom. Closet. There are 2 bedrooms up with the laundry here. And then another generous bedroom with vaulted ceilings, feeling very spacious, with a full bath. But that's not all. This townhome also has a full finished basement with a bathroom. So if my son were just a little bit older, I would think about getting this for him so he could rent the 2 rooms upstairs. And wait till you see how generous the basement is. Let me turn it around. Okay, here we go. So here is a full bathroom. Extra storage. A little breezeway. There is a bed. Enough area for 2 office spaces. A living space. And a generous closet here as well. Also, it walks out to the large backyard. So I'll be here today at 3578 Kennesaw Station until 3 o'clock for open house. You can also schedule your private visit. This townhome is being offered at $275. That's right, $275. So rental investment, great place to live. Move in ready. Roof is only 4 years old. You can't beat it. So come on out, send your friends, send your family. Tell them about this great deal here in Kennesaw. Bye.